here is an application problem. So suppose that I want to invest $4,500 in an account that compounds monthly and earns 6% interest rate. So how long will it take for my money to double? Well, first, we know what formula we should be using. That's going to be A is equal to P 1 plus R over N to the power of N times T. So that was the formula that we have. Now, notice we don't have time, so we're actually looking for T. Now, we know initially how much money we invested. So we invested 4,500. Okay. Now, how much money should I earn at the end? Well, at the end, I should have double the amount, which is going to be 9,000, because 4,500 times 2 is going to give me 9,000. Okay. We know what my interest rate is. My interest rate is going to be 0.06. And the number of compoundings is monthly, so that's going to be 12. Okay. So raised to the power of 12t, and we just are solving for t. Okay, so let's first do everything. Let's isolate this exponential expression, because this is the exponential expression. So the first thing we're going to do is divide this 4,500 over. And this is just going to give me 2. 2 is equal to 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 to the 12t. Now this part, I can easily put that in my calculator. I can just put 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12. And what I'm going to get is 2 is equal to 1.005 to the power of 12t. Okay, now what type of logarithm should I put to both sides? Well, if I want to get rid of this base, I got to take the base of whatever that is. So that's going to be the log of 1.005, log of 1.005. So you have a 2 there, and you have a 1.005 12t. Okay, so I just applied this log to both sides. Okay, so now this thing is going to go to the front. I'm going to put that to the front. So I'm going to have the log of 1.005 of 2 is equal to 12t log of 1.005 times 1.005. This thing is going to go away, and I'm left with the log of 1.005 of 2 is equal to 12t. All right, now all I have to do is just divide by 12 to figure out what the value of t is. So t is going to be equal to, well, it equals this log of 1.005 of 2 divided by 12. That is my exact answer, but if you really want to know what the time is, we got to just put in the calculator. So that's going to be log of 1.005 of 2 divided by 12, and that's just going to give me, I got 11.58, and this I think is in years. So if I want my money to double with that particular interest rate, I have to wait 12 years. Well, 11 and a half. So if you can't quite have this in your calculator, that's okay. You can just leave it like that. You can always use a change of base formula if you want. But yeah, that's basically all there is to these types of problems. Sometimes this middle part can be really, really nasty. So the more significant digits or the more decimal places that you have, the better accuracy there is. But yeah, that's basically all there is to this problem.